I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy back again with more crypto news. So I'm just going to be giving you guys an update, and a lot has happened. So in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin surged up to 12k. That's dollars, that is, and then it just had a flash crash to around 10,100 or 10,200. Also, in other news, DeFi is just booming. The price has gone up to, I think there's around $4 billion now locked up in DeFi. So everything's doing very well. But I just want to let you guys know, don't panic, and the crypto market is doing well. It's in a strong bull trend. These retracements are healthy. So let's get into the video. So looking at the market, we can see Bitcoin is down 3.5%. Ethereum, shit, there's a fly in my room. Sorry about that, guys. I don't like vermin. Fucking vermin. Anyway, what was I saying? So Ethereum has maintained its price even though it did have a little dip. It's gone up 5% in the last 24 hours. XRP up 10%. And looking at the biggest losers, or biggest gainers, sorry, Bancor Network up 15%, XRP up 10%, Chainlink up 10%. Finally, I was holding Chainlink when I bought it. It went down like 20-30%. I was considering selling it, but my lesson to you guys is, or not my lesson, my message to you guys is, when you buy something, first of all, don't buy the top of it. So don't buy it when you see it booming, because it's gonna retrace. So then that will test like your your mental strength, and you don't want to sell at a loss. You want to buy when the prices are down. And looking at the biggest losers of the day, we have Swipe. So potentially, maybe consider these. Yearn Finance. If you guys don't know about Yearn Finance, it's an interesting project. I'm not really too keen on it, but it's up to you guys. I would recommend that if you're new, just stick to Ethereum and Bitcoin. And yeah, Ampleforth down 10% as well. This I have mixed feelings about Ampleforth. And Dogecoin down 8%. Interesting coin. The coin that does nothing, but it does everything at the same time. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys a market update and why you should not be worried. So the TD sequential is an indicator that identifies the turning point in the price trend of an asset or an index. Essentially, on any time frame, if the chart of an asset shows 9 consecutive candles above or below the closure of the 4 prior candles, then it prints a TD9. So what does that mean? Let's go back to TradingView, and we can see here, going on the 4-hourly chart, you can see there's 9 consecutive candles above these 4 prior ones here. So therefore there was a 9 flash on the TD sequential, and the price has gone down significantly just to reset the TD sequential, and now you can see that it's back at, oh, this fly is fucking back. Sorry, this fly, it wants to die. It wants to play with me. Well, you got what you wanted, you little shit. Anyway, what was I saying? Yeah, so the TD sequential has reset now, and it's not to say that it won't, the price of Bitcoin won't go down again, because it's very, very much possible. Looking at the Fear and Greed Index, we have here, we're in 80. So just to give you guys an update of what the Fear and Greed Index is, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried, and that could be a good buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. So just bear that in mind if you guys are looking to enter the market. Just remember, regardless of what the price does, don't panic sell. Don't panic sell. Yeah, you can get happy if it goes up, but don't panic sell if it goes down 10-20%. Ideally, if you want to try time your entries so that you're buying at discount, you're buying at 10-20% discount, 5% discount, whatever it is. But don't FOMO in, because yeah, you'll get wrecked. And also, if you're new, do not be using leverage. Okay, so looking at our article of the day, we have a little article about Bitcoin. So the new 2020 price high for Bitcoin. As I said, it hit 12k last night, and it just shows that we are in a bullish trend. Looking at the market just really quickly, if you zoom out, like this, you might be a bit worried that there's a lot of red there, but zoom out to the daily, you see that we're in an uptrend. We're setting higher highs, bar this little, weird wick here. But if you zoom out, that's what gives you the, an idea of where the market is going. So zooming out, if you just look at, you know, these two wide lines that I've planted here, you can see sort of the trajectory that we're headed for. So there will most likely be a retracement before we, you know, go back up again. But there's nothing to worry about, essentially. There's nothing to worry about. Just, you know, don't panic sell. All of the price movements that you see in the short term is just noise. It's just noise. Just think about the long term. Because look at post halving. You know, last halving was around, where is it? June, July, around here. Look at how high it went, and look how insignificant all of that small noise was that you saw. So just think about the long term. Don't panic sell. Buy the dips. So the new 2020 high proves that, you know, the bulls are in control, which I do strongly agree with. There's a lot of green here on Coin360. If you guys don't know them, check them out. It gives you a good overview of, you know, the cryptocurrency markets, and as well as trading volume for the different exchanges. So the 11,500 to 11,800 resistance area is an ancient and substantial area on the charts. Not only did this level serve as resistance throughout summer of 2019, but also acted as resistance during the peak mania of December 2017. So just to actually show you guys on the chart, just so you have an idea. So you can see here, you know, a lot of resistance. What we're looking to do in the next couple of days to weeks is, you know, break this, you know, 11,000, 12K mark as we did yesterday, but instead of going below it this time, hold it as support, and then we'd look to proceed further and, you know, go up and up as the market does. You know, it goes up, goes down, etc, etc. Also, Ethereum 2.0 hits an all-time high. So as Bitcoin price moved to a 2020 high, Ether price had rallied to a 2-year high at $399 on Binance, which is ridiculous. I'm so glad I bought Ether. I converted all of my coins, and well, not all of them, but the smaller low cap speculative plays, I sort of converted it into Ether, and I'm just holding that now. So that's going to be my largest position. And going forward as well, I'm probably going to but invest more heavily in Ethereum, simply because of this fact. Let me show you guys. So looking at Ether, first of all, in comparison, it's a lot more affordable to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is around 9K, 8K, 8.5, something along those lines. That's British pounds, that is. And Ethereum, however, that's like, you know, £300, whatnot. You can afford more Ethereum than you can buy Bitcoin, and it's, you know, it's more, you feel more in control when you know, own a whole asset as opposed to a fractional share or something. Not to say don't buy Bitcoin, it's good to have exposure to both, but just to give you guys a different perspective on things, look at this. So in comparison to its all-time high, Ethereum is down 74%. But in comparison to Bitcoin's all-time high, Bitcoin is down 50%. So yes, you will see a lot of gains, but in comparison to each other, Ethereum is, number one, it's more volatile, and it's got it's a lot more risk to reward. So you have to bear those things in mind. And just to back up the point of, you know, Ethereum doing well, we have $4.16 billion locked up in DeFi. You can just see it's just gone absolutely ballistic this year. Starting off in May, it was around what, 900 and, oh my god, this is actually ridiculous. It was 929 million in May, and then it's just shot up exponentially. What can I say? It's ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. These markets, they don't make sense, and I love it. I love it. You can see 20% in one day, you can see minus 50 in one day. I'm absolutely in love with it. But yeah, that's been the video, guys. Essentially, the message is, you know, not to panic and just continue to either dollar cost average or wait for the dip. But if you're a beginner, do not buy with leverage until you completely know what you're doing. I'm going to be releasing a course soon, and that will be on OnlyFans. No, I will not be showing you nudes, so no, that's not what it's about. It's simply because I can host on there without having to pay for web fees. I'm sure they're going to take a commission or whatever, but it's worth it. So yeah, that will be coming soon in the next couple months or so. I just need to like record it and stuff like that. But yeah, that would like teach you guys how to, you know, buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, how to trade, all the different technical indicators that you should look out for, all of that. Because as nice as it is to give you guys this information for free, I'm trying to get paid, man. Ain't gonna lie, no cap. Trying to get paid. That's why we're here. So yeah, that's been the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more. If you're new, subscribe. If you're not new, then hit the like button. In fact, everyone hit the like button. But yeah, that's it. See you guys soon. Bye.